Oh, goddamn, my lips crusty. Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would try something new. I'm going to do a lit makeup tutorial. Seen this on a commercial and I really wanted to try it because I love pineapple. So from Walmart I picked up the Pineapple-Rita little frozen margarita, and this was around, I think, $1.99 or like $1.50, but it was under $2. Palette that I really wanted to try is the new Anastasia Soft Glam palette. I finally picked this up. It's like really beautiful colors. So alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is apply my moisturizer, and the moisturizer that I have been trying is the Mario Badescu Skincare Oil Free Moisturizer, and I picked this up during the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty sale, and this is what it looks like. So we're just going to apply some of this to the face. Now you don't really need a lot. I said you don't need a lot, but I squirted a lot out. That was just so stupid. Oh well. I ain't even started drinking yet and I'm already doing dumb stuff. We're just going to apply it all. I don't want to waste it. Brows. I am going to be using the Anastasia Brow Wiz in Chocolate. And I don't know why I'm using such expensive products because I'm not going anywhere. So it's like a hint of pineapple, but it tastes like a beer. Brows. I don't know why I'm so nervous. Damn, I'm fucking up already. So while we're doing brows, I don't really like this. I feel like it takes too much. Like the product doesn't come off like heavily. It's like really light, and I feel like I have to use a lot of product to get the desired result. And when I first started using this, it was really hard, and it was hard to like get the product on my brows. It's a little better now, but I still prefer my Maybelline. Like hands down, that's my holy grail. So that's usually the order I do my makeup in. So I'm gonna apply this. Oh goddamn, my lips crusty. I may need to go get my lip exfoliator. I'm gonna do something different. I'm gonna go in with this white eye base and apply this to my eyes. And y'all, this is so old. Like I know I had this since 2014 because I was in grad school, and I want to say I probably had this in 2013. So yeah, we're gonna, if it ain't dry, fuck it, we're just gonna be messy. We're just gonna go in with that and apply it to our lids. I might not even need this darn brush. Y'all like my little y'all like my makeshift robe? If y'all watch my videos, you done seen this. It's that kimono I got from Rue 21. And I tied one of my little Dollar Tree scarves around it to make a robe, you know, to be cute in my little YouTube video. So yeah, and let me know if y'all tired of this background. Yeah, this is something you got to pour out the bag and put in a cup and drink. You can't drink it out the pouch. I don't think you're supposed to drink it out the pouch. Yeah, you're not. It tastes a lot better. It tastes more pineapple-y now. So, and with orange soda, I seen this color years ago, and I always wanted to try it back when Anastasia came out with singles first, before they even came out with palettes. And I'm gonna go in with orange soda. Excuse my air conditioner. That bitch loud. I mean, excuse my air conditioner, it's really loud. I'm just gonna apply this. Look y'all, y'all see that? And it came off my eye already and it's creasing. Anyway, apply this in our crease. With the same brush, I'm going to go in with burnt orange. So we're going to go in with that. Ooh, that was a little bit more powdery than orange soda. Sienna with the same brush. Now that's what helps make the colors to blend so much better. I'm lying, I just ain't finna dirty a lot of brushes. So again, we're gonna go in our crease. Oh, this is cute. I like this color. Okay, Sienna. Alright. Y'all remember when we first started doing makeup, like back in like 2010-ish maybe, when we used to bring our eyeshadow way up here? Y'all remember that? Do people still do that? But yeah, I'm tired of the makeup community. Everybody coming out with the same thing. All these neutral palettes. That new Warrior palette, I think from it's coming to me. Juvia's Place. Yes, that looks really pretty, but I have enough, like I got enough neutral palettes. Rustic. And we're gonna put this in our like outer V to start deepening that up a little bit, I think. Yeah, so we're gonna place it right here and just move that back and forth. Like we're not even taking it through the whole crease. We just concentrating that color right up in here. With the same brush, we're gonna go into Cypress Umber. I should just brought my my Modern Renaissance palette over too, so I don't have to mess up all these colors, but oh well. So we're gonna put, oh my god, it's a big ass spider. See, y'all live in a fucking country. Oh my god, y'all, this bitch is big as fuck. Okay, I'm gonna just try to spray his ass with my matte setting spray. Slide my ass all the way back here. I do not fool with spiders. If y'all follow me on Snapchat, I always have spiders in my office. I need to look up what spiders mean, like it's some type of symbolism or something. Look, my words running together. I'm gonna use this Mario Badescu because it got Mo in there. So yeah. Oh, come on, that bitch. Oh shit, he done jumped down my wall. Okay. Alright. He ain't moving no more, so I think he did. And but hey, we sprayed the spider. Let's spray ourselves. Boom. Alright, there we go. But it's always something, ain't it? And with Mulberry. And we're gonna use our same blending brush from earlier. And we're gonna put this all in the crease. Y'all keep looking for that damn spider. No, he dead on my wall. I'll clean them up later, like after this video. Alright, so we're gonna put a Mulberry in the crease. Sultry in the first part of my eye with this e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. Ooh, this looks like it's gonna have hella fallout. So Sultry looks like a color you need to spray first and then apply like to foil it, but we just gonna apply this on the first half. Just pat that on there like so. We're gonna go in with Rose Pink and put it on the rest of our eye. Right in this little space right here. See, now Rose Pink actually did real good. Maybe we should have put Rose Pink in the beginning. Y'all, this shit look a hot mess. And look how stiff my brush thing got. Y'all see that? Yeah, maybe we should put Rose Peak on first and then did Sultry. So this is what happened when you don't swatch shades first. So let's just try to blend it like so. Yeah. I feel like I got something in my eyeball. Yeah, we gonna go in with sienna. Like, fuck it, we just gonna use sienna. And then we gonna dip in mulberry. Like that. And we're gonna apply that to our lower lash line. I feel like I'm doing crackhead prostitute makeup with this liner because it don't even feel right and I can't even see it. So, I don't know. I know eyelashes make everything look better. So let's just, oh shit, I know I messed that part up. I need to put this down. See if I could try to fix it. So we're gonna apply my favorite mascara, like my holy grail. And I talked about this in my empties video. This is the Voluminous Lash Paradise. I love this stuff. Love it, love it, love it. These are like my faux mink lashes. And then for foundation, we're gonna go in with this L'Oreal. And I don't even know why I'm doing all this shit. Okay, I got glue on my finger. So I'm gonna go in with my Shop Miss A, and I prefer the purple sponges. I really love the black, but the black just takes too long to break in. So I'm gonna spray this on my face to help my foundation move around. But yeah, these are the softest ones. I haven't tried the pink one, like the one that when you buy it donate to like the animal shelter and stuff. So I haven't tried that one yet, but I want to. But every time I get on Shop Miss A, it's sold out. But it's just my priorities now in a different place, and I'm just not really big on spending hella money on makeup every month like I used to, because I got some things I'm working towards and trying to do. So why are you looking like Bambi? You want to take your sponge and go ahead and blend this in. And I actually like this one better than the matte one. That matte one, y'all, I don't know. I think y'all kind of hyped it up. Or either my skin ain't where it needed to be for that one. But I ain't too much care for it. And even though I got it in the same number as this, like in the matte one it's 109, and in this one I have 209. This one's like a perfect match for my skin, but the matte one is a little too red. Like, it gets a little too dark. So I have to use a light powder with that. And then we're just gonna blend this in. Y'all, I got so much slob in my mouth, it don't make no freaking sense. But hey, maybe a good thing for babe. That joke was for people over 18. Yeah, I'm so fucking pale. I'm so white. Like, I'm so pale. I'm probably gonna age fast because I'm light skinned, and I don't think I got as much melanin as other black people. So I don't know. I feel like I need to be quiet. I feel like I'm gonna start talking outside of my damn neck. And what did that mean anyway? Like, what did that saying? Where did that saying come from? You turn outside your neck. Like, your neck don't even talk. So maybe that's the point. You don't need to be talking. My lips still feel a little crusty, but we gonna go with a lip gloss and some lip liner. I ain't put no liquid lipstick on for this shit. Okay. I ain't even gonna set this with no powder, honey. Alright. Let's try not to make such a big mess because we got to clean this shit up in the morning. So we're gonna pinch our lashes. And what I mean by pinch, I just take them and pinch them with my lash line. And now that I'm pinching them, I don't even think this is on like my lash line. It's maybe on my actual eyelid. Baby, living room. Yep, this glue on this eye still wet. Cause then it got in my eye and this shit burning like hell. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna be blind in the morning. Shit. Oh my gosh, that burns. See what happened? I'm trying to do something new for y'all. Okay. Don't look too bad. Don't look too bad. Don't look too bad. So I'm gonna apply some highlights. And I'm gonna use this Breezy highlighter. Now this is a very natural highlight. Very natural. I don't really care for it. It's 28 bucks. I've been trying to use it to see if I really don't like it, or is it like an application thing or what. But I'm gonna OD on it tonight. I'm just gonna do a lot. Like we just gonna swirl and swirl and swirl and swirl and swirl. And I'm gonna look like y'all little Facetune y'all little Facetune pictures on Instagram where y'all be having all this highlighter on and be looking greasy as hell. Like some makeup y'all do is just good for pictures, like picture purposes, but in person that should be looking super stupid. Look at me trying to apply my highlight while looking at the highlight instead of flipping the darn mirror. Like I don't even see it on my face. Can y'all see it? Can y'all see it? We're gonna do some more. We're gonna do some more. Look at that. Look at that wasting. And that still may end up taking this back to Ulta. Damn, I think that was way too much right there. Well, we're gonna do it anyway. Cause it look a plum fool in person, but it may look good on camera, you know. So I'm gonna go in with my fan brush, and then we're just gonna try to blend it, soften it up a little bit. See, I told y'all the lashes make everything look a little better because my wing liner don't look as tragic from what I could tell with these lashes on. So yeah, that's our highlight. And then take my little highlight brush and pop a little bit on my nose, even though it look like it already got highlighter. And then a little bit over my Cupid's bow. I'm going in with my new lip liner from Dollar Tree. This is by LA Colors, and it is in Twirl, like the famous MAC lip liner. And I think I got a haul, so we're gonna apply this to the lips first. This is like my favorite lip liner shade. And this lipstick will let you know exactly where your ass ain't exfoliate all the way. It's all good though. Cause again, we ain't going nowhere. So it looks so much lighter on camera than it does in person. So yeah, bitches. This is what we looking like. And since my towel's sliding off, I guess we'll go ahead and take it off. Ooh, I washed my hair tonight, and this is what it looks like. This is what my curls look like. Did I just put makeup in my hair? What's that? Shit. With this viewfinder, like, it make you feel stupid because I can't see in who. So this is what my hair looks like, and it's not as short as it looks, like curly, but oh well. So if you guys enjoyed this little lit or not makeup video, if you want to see me like do a lit makeup tutorial, like another one, or like a lit hairstyling video or whatever, let me know down below. Alright you guys, I'll holler at you in the next one.